Reading. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Writing. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. Playing. He is playing football. He is playing football. Working. They are working together. They are working together. Sleeping. We are sleeping early. We are sleeping early. Eating. I am eating lunch. I am eating lunch. Drinking. She is drinking water. She is drinking water. Running. He is running fast. He is running fast. Walking. They are walking home. They are walking home. Drawing. She is drawing a flower. She is drawing a flower. Cooking. He is cooking dinner. He is cooking dinner. Swimming. They are swimming in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. Jogging. We are jogging in the park. We are jogging in the park. Watching. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Listening. She is listening to music. She is listening to music. Cleaning. He is cleaning his room. He is cleaning his room. Shopping. They are shopping for clothes. They are shopping for clothes. Talking. We are talking quietly. We are talking quietly. Laughing. I am laughing at the joke. I am laughing at the joke. Crying. She is crying sadly. She is crying sadly. Fighting. He is fighting with his brother. He is fighting with his brother. Driving. They are driving to school. They are driving to school. Helping. We are helping our friends. We are helping our friends. Learning. I am learning English. I am learning English. Teaching. She is teaching math. She is teaching math. Painting. He is painting a wall. He is painting a wall. Reading. They are reading books. They are reading books. Baking. We are baking a cake. We are baking a cake. Fixing. I am fixing my bike. I am fixing my bike. Typing. She is typing on the laptop. She is typing on the laptop. Building. He is building a house. He is building a house. Climbing. They are climbing the hill. They are climbing the hill. Fishing. We are fishing in the river. We are fishing in the river. Traveling. I am traveling to Kabul. I am traveling to Kabul. Drawing. She is drawing maps for class. She is drawing maps for class. Playing chess. He is playing chess. He is playing chess. Cleaning. They are cleaning dishes after dinner. They are cleaning dishes after dinner. Writing notes. We are writing notes in the class. We are writing notes in the class. Listening. I am listening to the radio. I am listening to the radio. Painting. He is painting his nails. He is painting his nails. Chatting. They are chatting online. They are chatting online. Enjoying. We are enjoying the sunny day. We are enjoying the sunny day.